Barco. Isla. Parang isla lang yung ano na. Ito yung farm?
Yung mga farm ng frogs kasi binibinta dito yung frogs para sa lungs.
Frogs?
Lungs. Ino-boiled nila.
Yung kwan? Uy.
Si auntie bumibili dito. Pumupunta kami ng Juno farm.
Malaka? Para sa ano eh?
Lungs. Kasi si Rachel may asthma eh.
Pala sarap ng palaka doon sa atin.
Ganda yun kasi gamot.
Gamot pala yun. Para lang silang pulo. Dito, bugs, clouds.
Kaya
pala nag-turbulence dito.
Oh, grabe kakapal.
Kurog-kurog yun.
Maliit pa naman na airplane.
Maliit pa. ba yan? Parang mga lupa.
Caligo landing station.
Mga lupa ginatambak sa dagat.
Ang lupa.
Yun no?
Yeah, magbibuild dito. Malagi nagbibuild dito ng mga building.
Parang saan sila kuha ng lupa? Flat naman. Pababa na kami. Singapore na. Ito yung Singapore. Malaki yung lupa dito. Sige, tambak yung dagat. Yun yung puro lupa. Dagat. Dami dito ano. Barko. Kalat lang. Chinese din yun dito na. Chinese. Dami niya. Yun o.
Dito kasi ang mga oil, mga company dito. Ang daming workers dito ng India, Bangladesh.
Ipang hukay. Ipang tambakan. Ano pala to dito?
Hindi kasi nagbibuild yan. Ay, ano ba naman ito? Ano na ito?
Ay, touchdown na. Yan na. Yan na. Pababa na. Singapore Airport na. Saan? Ano yan?
Airport, Changi.
Yan?
Sikat yun na airport.
Ito yung ano pala, sikat
Kasi
na.
may nagting naman mamaya, may nagpa-fly
Dome?
Hindi to
Parang
doon
dome.
pa sa Marina Bay. Pero ang ganda ng ano nila dito. Airport.
Crown Plaza? Crown Plaza pala doon.
May Star Alia pala.
Wow, thank you Lord. Buti maano yung ano, yung klima. Takot pala tag-ulan dito. Kurug-kurug.
Grabe dito pag hangin kasi syempre walang mundo.
Tamloy lang.
Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Changi International Airport. Local time now is 36 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning. For information, there's no time difference between Manila and Singapore. Ground temperature is at 29 degrees centigrade. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight crew Captain Pulido
29 lang.
and First Officer Bray, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. Pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
For guests with infant, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reason, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat bucket. And be reminded that unauthorized removal of live vests from the aircraft is a serious offense. For guests needing wheelchair assistance, you are advised to deepen in last for proper endorsement. Thank you.
Laki pala ng airport. Ang controller. Patag lang yun ang